Welcome back to our journey through the Agile Manifesto. Today, we are diving into the eighth principle, which states Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Let's explore this principle in depth, focusing on understanding sustainability, team well-being, and long-term value. Sustainability in Agile goes beyond just speed. It's about finding a rhythm that ensures consistent progress without burning out of developers. Agile processes prioritize the well-being of the entire team, acknowledging that sustained productivity relies on a healthy and motivated workforce. Agile isn't just about quick wins, it's about creating value that stands the test of time, fostering sustainability in the development process. Balancing workloads is essential for sustained development. Agile processes encourage distributing tasks evenly to prevent burnout and ensure continuous progress. Agile processes promote collaboration, empowering teams to make decisions collectively, reducing dependencies and sustaining a consistent pace. Agile embraces the idea that sustainable development requires constant learning and improvement, fostering a culture of adaptability. In conclusion, the eighth principle highlights the importance of sustainable development in Agile, emphasizing a balance between speed, team well-being, and long-term value. That wraps up our exploration of the eighth principle of Agile Manifesto. I hope you found this discussion insightful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Agile insights, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm Nick Filonchik, signing off.